Hi guys, I'm Yao. Welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to installing a new pair of pedal shifter from Madtrace on my 530i. The reasons I'm going to with is because the sound, shifting time, and the material. The material is made by the carbon fiber. I really like the carbon fiber parts if you know me for a while. And also the shifting time is much shorter than the factory one. The last thing is the sound. Every time you click it, the sound is very similar to the simulator racing game. The sound from it is very special. I'm going to show it later. So as you can see, this is the new pedal shifter from the Madtrace. You can see here, the box from them looks really nice as well, as you can see here. And then as we open it up, this is the cover. So these are the pedals. You can see it's really nice. And also let's we take it out. And as you can see, the longer version. You will be also getting the shorter version. You can swap it if you want to, but I'm going to installing the longer version. This looks really nice, especially with this dry carbon. The distance here is much shorter. And also the sound from it is very loud and clear. And this is another one. It's very loud and clear. And this is the bolts. And as you can see below it is the shorter version. It comes with the tool and the new bolts. And this is the shorter version. It's also made by the dry carbon. It looks really nice. So let's start the work and installing it on the car. So the first thing to do is to disconnect the battery. As you can see, the negative side has been disconnected. You just use a 10mm bolt to disconnect it. So now we are going to take the airbag out. In order to take the airbag, you have to release the spring inside. There will be two springs. One is located here and one is on the other side here. You will be seeing a mark here, and that's the point where you push it out. I'm going to just use a screwdriver to push it out. Same to the other side. You will be see a mark below it, and that's the point where you release the airbag. As you can see right now, the airbag has been released. Once the screwdriver has pushed into that hole, and as you can see the spring here, you have to find that spring and then just push it in, and then the airbag will be released. Once you feel the spring has been pushed, you pull the airbag out and the one side will be out. Then will be same to the other side. As you can see, the spring here and the spring here. Once both sides are out, remove the plug out. And right now we are going to remove the two pedals here. We are going to take the two T20s out. One is located here. Once you pull this harness out, you will be seeing it. And the same to the other side. Once the plug is out, you will be see the T20. And once those two bolts are out, you can replace the pedals. It is a comparison for the OEM pedals and the Madtrace pedals. Looks totally different, as you can see, especially the sound. The OEM sound, the new sound is much louder. So now you just need to put these new ones in, and it will be it. So right now the pedal shifter connectors are connected well. Now let me put the new bolts back to holding the pedal shifters. So right now, as you can see, everything is back to the car. Let me take you have a quick listen and look. The downshift, the sound is really nice, and the upshift, the sound is crazy. So clear. So how do you guys think this new pedal shifter from the Madtrace? Sounds crazy and looks much better. And please let me know if you have any other questions in the comments below as well. If you want to get one of these, please check out the link in the description below. This will be end of this video. I hope you guys enjoyed it. Please subscribe to my channel and follow me on Instagram as well. Thanks for watching. I will see you next video.